Assalamualaikum and hi Dr. Anna. We are from Group 3 going to present about the video editing skill training program. Before we start, let me introduce my team member, FARRA NADHIRAH, Marshayun, Muhammad FADLI, Muhammad ZAHIN, NUREENE, and last but not least, me myself, HANIN HASYIMA. We also want to introduce you to the software that we want to use in conducting the video editing skill training program, which is Adobe Premiere Pro. It is a timeline-based video editing software application that developed by Adobe System Incorporated and published as part of the Adobe Creative Cloud licensing program. And now, my team member will show you the 4 system Creative Premiere Pro effects that are suitable for the beginner while using this software. So, let's go!
On this second or top layer, let's open up the effect panel and search for posterize time. It's going to create the top motion posterization of the time. In the effects control panel, we can see a pop-up and the only option to adjust is the frame rate. If you reduce this to 6, it will only show 6 frames per 24 frames, creating stop motion. As you can see, it's cutting so many frames and look like it's lagging, but it's not. We may blend this stop motion video with the one below by going to the opacity section of the effects control and adjust the blending mode. So I can put it on something like screen blending mode, which will stack the image brighter parts underneath. If I play it back, we get this cool stop motion ghosting effect that follows the original image, almost like we're capturing every 6 frames. That's all for the posterize time effect.
Gonna utilize Premiere Pro's blending effect by duplicating the original clip on top of each other. That's kind of the central theme of this video almost. Now, this top stack layer, let's search for the mosaic effect. It's in the stylized video effect folder, and let's click and drag it onto the top clip. Now, normally you might use this to perhaps pixelize someone's face, but if we head over to the effect control panel, we can see we can adjust the horizontal block and the vertical block amount. Now, I do want to turn on sharp colors to get really the sharp, glitchy, tacky look, and now I can just set this to a blending mode of just like that before screen or something like that, and we have this cool glitchy reflection that's going on that might look cool in some sort of music video compilation.
Next is how do we stabilize our video. First, we have to choose the media. We have to choose our video. This is the original video and it's a little bit shaky. Next, we click the effects, then click the video effects and click distort. Then we choose the warp stabilizer, drag and put it here. If we click on the editing part, we can see the progress. We can see how many % are done. After the progress is finished, it will show stabilizing. After we stabilize the video, we can see the video is more stable. And if we drag the original video here, we can see the differences. That's all for the stabilizing part.
So now we drop the media here to create a sequence. Alright, now we're gonna looking for the replicate effect in the stylized folder. So let's click and drag that. We can do this directly on the clip this time. And what this does is it creates a replication. Okay, so by default it's set to 2 counts. You can make it 3 count for kind of 5 count. this cool interesting effect is on, and it will make your video as attractive as possible with this effect. That's all for the replica effect.
Wow, it seems like quite interesting and attractive effect. It seems quite easy for beginner to use it. They also can download different editing software from internet as well. Hopefully, this video can increase your knowledge about video editing skills. And we hope you enjoy it. That's all from my group. Bye!